Okay, so we know that I love nachos, and the Tostitos cheese is $3.29. I used to make it from Velveeta, but one of my teachers taught me how to make it from this, so now I buy a lot of this. But just check the date, because you want to buy one as far out in the year as you can. And you know, in prepping, you can just sit back with a bag of chips and some dip and no light and some jalapenos, and just chill. Okay, so they have the 24 Glacier Waters for $1.99, and then they have the Niagara gallons of water. I think I'm gonna grab this with the 6 bottles in it. I don't know how water expires, but it's got an expiry of 2022, so I'm gonna grab it. Okay, so they have the Hunts. It's 88 cents. I used to use this before I fell in love with Prego, and 88 cents is very good. So I'm gonna grab about 5 or 6. Hi everyone, I am Simply Tamanisha, and I'm back with my Foodtown shopping haul from February the 25th. I didn't have a lot of things on my list when I left to go to the store. My budget plan was for $23.91. I actually paid out $34.57 because when I got there, I saw some other things I wanted to add. So I did add the baked beans by Van de Kamp, as well as pork and beans. I love the taste of pork and beans. And I'll tell you, over some rice with cut sausages or wieners or whatever, it makes a ready meal. And they were on sale. The Hunts, before I fell in love with Prego, I think I said this already, I was using the Hunts, and it's 88 cents a can, so I just grabbed a few of those. And then they had 4 pounds of rice for $1.66. So I used to be a bran rice type of person, but I've learned how to cook rice really well, especially in my microwave. And I'm not as choosy, but this is one of my extra items. I've said before, when you go to the store and they have surplus, just go ahead and grab 1 or 2 extra items that you would need for prepping and storage in case of another lockdown, another pandemic, another major storm. Rice just requires hot water and time. So I grabbed some of that. Nobody really likes manwich but me. And I've learned how to make it from scratch as well. But they did have it on sale, so I grabbed some. And they had the Kalitas tortilla chips. They are on sale for 99 cents. They were not on my list, but I grabbed them. You guys know how much I love nachos. And I do have a stash of nacho cheese already in my stockpile, but these were $3.29 when they're normally $3.99. So I grabbed 3 just because, as I say all the time, I make a lot of nachos. But also, in a power outage, you can just pop open a can of Tostitos cheese with some chips and keep it moving. Now, the Folgers Classic Roast is on sale for $1.99, and I had a coupon for $1 off of 1. When I got to the store, I realized that I was 2 coupons short. I came home and found 1, but not the other one. So today I'm going to run back to Foodtown and grab just 1 more can for 99 cents, because you can't really beat that. And then I picked up 6 containers of Niagara Purified water. They were 66 cents a can. I'm sorry, a bottle. So I went ahead and grabbed some of those as well to add to my stockpile, because again, I can't say this enough. When the stores are in surplus, go ahead and grab the quantity that they will allow you to grab and that you can afford to pay for when it comes to emergency supplies, so that you don't have to be out in a time of crisis trying to find what you need because you've already built up a sufficient stockpile. Okay, so I hope this video has been helpful, that it's giving you some insight on things you can stockpile on and how to save money on those items. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so that we can share this information with all our friends on YouTube. And if you're new here, please hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can see all the wonderful things I'm going to be sharing with you. Talk to you soon.